MJX aluminum part. Hello YouTube, H16BM MJX Hypergo with the H14BM wheels and tires. Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? Wow, that's probably gonna increase the performance of this little guy a lot. So I'll take for a quick spin. I don't wanna break anything, so you're not gonna be seeing crazy jumps or anything. I just wanna see how it performs right here in the pavement. I will eventually take this for a spin in the dirt, where I believe most of the people take these RCs, and that's where we actually have more fun, not really playing on the street. So I will be controlling one-handed. Oops. Every single time, but I just wanna flip. So I'll keep S 100% here, 2S. But like you know this car already, you hit the trigger and it just wants to go and fly, right? Oops, almost. These tires works very well with this car. They are a little bit bigger than the stock tires. Look at that, you pull the brakes, so much grip that actually flipped. Let's go for a takeoff, 100% and full throttle. Yeah, maybe I should have some more throttle control so it prevents from flipping it. Let's try again. Even pulling the brakes, it was too late. The purpose of this video is really doing a test, right? See if these tires would work. I got questions about it and I said, well, I have both cars, let's try it out. And like you can see, it works. Looks much better. I like the red on the tires. Just looks beautiful. And it wants to wheelie. And when you come hard and you press the brakes, it wants to flip. So let's try that. Going straight in front of me. And he's back on. $2S stock battery. Oh, that was too much, too hard on the brakes. Flipped again. I'll try a small jump right there. So I'm gonna go this way and jump on the curb right there. So let's see. Managed to stay up. Not this time. The other side. Oops. I don't want to break my neighbor's garage. Oops. Should not be hitting concrete that hard. So just coming out here, it's winter, it's cold, and I got some sun and I said, why not come and play, right? I always forget to turn these lights on. Look at that. Lights on now. And flipping and going. This goes quick. These controllers are not the fastest in response, so even if I hit the brake at the right time, the small delay it has, it doesn't prevent it from flipping. Looks like I lost some body clips. I can see the bodies look a little bit weird right now. But overall, I think it is a great improvement to the stock tires. So if you have both vehicles, or if you can buy these tires separate, which I believe you can, this is probably your best bet. You know, when I get the car all dirty, but feels like this is gonna happen. So what I'm doing here, controlling with one hand and driving, it is not as easy as it looks. And the fact that it's very cold makes it even harder. Hit that snow. There's no everywhere. Jump right through. And this car is so durable. I made some upgrades. But it's basically stock. So let me show you some upgrades I made it to this one. Park it right here. Yeah, I did lost a pin every time. I burned my hand here while testing the 3S. The wheel spins very quickly and got my hand. So the upgrades I installed were right there, that aluminum part over there, and in the back here I also have a nice aluminum part. I managed to break these posts, so I purchased these aluminum ones. It's gonna work great. In conclusion, to finish up this video, these wheels and tires from the 14BM did work perfectly on this 16BM Hypergo MJX. Nice job. I did tune the suspension all the way up in the rears and also in the front, and it did handle pretty well. So I'm very happy about this. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing, leave your questions, comments, like or dislike. Eventually, when the weather permits, I will be taking this to a park or to the dirt where it belongs. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.